I ordered a Poshmark mystery box to see if you could get epic, incredible, jaw-dropping deals, or if it would be a kind of freaky, gross sale.
I've got the pretty for you. The unbelievable pretty.
Nothing's that good.
Oh, you won't know until you open me.
What if you are full of someone's disgusting used underwear?
You won't know until you open me.
Oh my gosh, what I got was not what I expected, but let me start at the beginning. I've been checking Poshmark out for you because I heard it's the creme de la creme, secondhand fashion, and you can get really high-end, brand names, save money, save the planet, and look super hot while you're doing it right. I'm brand new to Poshmark, so it wasn't quite as easy as just putting a coin in the slot machine in Vegas. I quickly realized that every single item, it's $7 on top of the item, $7 for shipping. So the end cost is a lot higher than a thrift store or even a consignment store or like any of the evil fast fashion brands like Shein, Wish, Walmart, Forever 21. I got this idea of getting like a grab bag where there'd be quite a few different things to show you. And at least it would be fun. It's surprising. But apparently grab bag is a term from the dark ages because if you search grab bag on Poshmark, handbags come up. But I did stumble onto the term of mystery box, right? And I put my size information in, and all of these mystery boxes came up that were OS, which could mean obscenely small or maybe oddly scandalous. Turns out it means one size. There you go. Boom. It took me quite a while to find a mystery box that was XL clothing. And then I filtered for Anthropology and Free People and some really cool brands. And I found an extra large mystery box. Oh my gosh, it was Free People clothes. I'm so excited. Whoa, $150 for a mystery box. And at this moment, I'm visualizing opening a box. And it's a bra, 32D, and some used athletic underwear. It's just too scary. I just felt totally discouraged. And maybe Poshmark isn't the treasure trove that we are hoping for, So I took a cookie break.
2 boxes of treats later, and I am back at it.
I found the seller that puts together mystery boxes in your size, based on your sense of style, and where you plan to wear it. I love that idea, right? Because I know in my heart of hearts that this random stranger who's never met me is magically going to put together the most stylish outfit that I would have never thought of putting together that's going to flatter my aging, pear-shaped body, make me look slender and sophisticated, and it is a dream come true. And I'm so excited. Okay. So I go through their closet, picking out things that I like to kind of help them see, what my sense of style is. So I do that, and then I drop a comment. Okay, so how does this work? Where do I tell you where I'm going, what my style is, and what kinds of things do I like, right? Dropped a comment. Crickets. Hello. Hello, seller. Are you there? How could they not get back to me? I want my mystery box, and it's been 10 minutes. 10 minutes! I really didn't have time to mess around here back and forth waiting for the seller to text me. So I did what you're not supposed to do. And let me know if you'd like a video on Poshmark scams. Because I went ahead and ordered it. And I ran off to teach class, and, the week went by, and my other orders showed up. And no mystery box, right? I'm like, where's my mystery box? Where are you? I want you. Perfect, stylish outfit for my pear-shaped aging body. I just know that the seller is going through a hard time. Maybe, they decided to check into rehab. Maybe their mother's sick. Something, tragic has happened in their life. But any day now, they're going to get back to me and let me know, oh yeah, your mystery box is coming. You are the most important thing in my life, right? So I'm being understanding and considerate. Really, I'm just in denial. But it doesn't hurt maybe to just like some other things in the meantime. Oh my gosh, I'm such a two-timer. sorry, seller. I start liking things on this other seller's website, and boom, like 5 minutes later, there's this message from them. They put a bundle together, with all the things that I've liked. It's $84. Like, that doesn't sound like a $3 items to me. No, thank you. So I just ignored it and kept hoping for my hope. The next day, I get an offer that's half off of the $84 and free shipping, right? And I'm like looking at what's in my little bundle, and there's one shirt that is, kind of expensive compared to the others. If I could just take that one expensive shirt out, maybe I could make a deal with them, right? And I don't have time to figure that out. I run off to work, I get home, and there's another email from the seller. And now they want $35. And I'm like, ooh, this is really getting into the range where I might be able to like spring for it. I was ready, but now I want a deal, right? I'm like, this person's willing to bargain. Like they've lowered and lowered and lowered their price. If they said they're doing a closet clear out, I'm going to make an offer. That's so scary to make an offer. Yeah, because I don't want to insult them. I was told you should never go below half of the price, anyways. I make an offer, and the legal Poshmark window comes up, and this is a legally binding offer, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so scary. I don't want them to not make an actual living. Like, we're into sustainability. That means that it has to be sustainable for the businesses giving us the deals too, or they won't be there for us tomorrow. I put my offer in, $25. Like, will they take it? I canceled my mystery box. Goodbye, perfect outfit. Sorry, seller. Breaking up is always sad. So now I'm on pins and needles, tenterhooks. Are they going to take my $25 offer? I didn't receive any emails like that day from Poshmark saying that my offer had been accepted. So I'm like, okay, well, the seller's busy. They're usually really responsive. Maybe they're thinking about my offer. I checked my email before I went to bed. Maybe I checked my email once while I was in bed. No word from it, but the next day I get an email from Poshmark that just breaks my heart. It doesn't say, hey, you got all the things that you wanted from your seller. No, it says, someone has purchased one of the items you like from the seller. What the heck? I mean, what's that going to do? Is the whole deal going to fall apart? They can't put everything in the bundle. Then my offer's so good, we have to start all over. And then I get another email from Poshmark saying somebody's purchased another thing that I like from that. So I'm kind of crushed at this point. Like, now I'm going to have to start all over again. There's nothing. I'm very, very disheartened. And then I get another email from Poshmark saying that another item I liked has been purchased. So I go on the website of my seller, and every single one of the pieces that I put in my bundle has been sold. That's very suspicious. It really sounds like my order. I do some digging around, and it turns out, yeah, I accidentally created a new Poshmark account. I was the fiend that bought my bundle from me. I was so happy. I'm such a wow. It really was only a couple days until all my items came, 6 items for $25, including shipping, paid by the seller, and they are fantastic. Miraculously, they all fit. These clothes are in really good condition. They're better than what your average thrift store clothes are. They really are a higher level of quality. So I think insane deals, yeah, are to be had on Poshmark.